To add sound effects in your CapCut project or video that you're editing, first you want to open up your CapCut and then go to the audio section. Now scroll down and click on sound effects. You can expand it and it will contain a bunch of sound effects that are organized by category. So you can look for trending or hits, or you can search for sound effects. And if you can't find your sound effect here for some reason, you can open up your browser and head to pixabay.com or other websites that provide copyright-free sound effects, and then you can basically search for them by name. Click on sound effects category and search by name. Make sure that you download only the sound effects that you have rights to use. Next, you can simply drag the sound effect to your timeline. So for example, you might have a video and you want to play a sound effect during a specific frame or time. So you can move your cursor to a specific time and then play the sound effects at that time like this. You can also control the volume. You can go to the basic and from here increase or decrease the volume. You can also make it fade in and fade out from here as well. And once you click the play button, the sound effect should start playing, as you can see right here. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.